Now this is what I call Summer Palace. Wow. Alright, Christy.
Yes.
What do you think of the Summer Palace?
It's my new home. It could be my summer palace. Every summer.
It could be both of our summer palaces. Yeah? I think so. I think it's spectacular here, but only in the summer though. Because right now, it's like end of April, and it's freezing. Freezing, not summer-like. So yeah. Hey guys, so I wanted to show you a little something they have here in China called squatters. So in North America, you know, you have regular toilets. Well here you have those. Yeah, that's what you go to the toilet in. And you always gotta remember to bring toilet paper with you because chances are there is no toilet paper. So you always gotta carry some toilet paper. And that's where you do your business. We're getting foot massages because our feet are sore from hiking the Great Wall. Because there's a lot of hiking. Right, Christy?
Yes.
This is only my second massage since I've been traveling. We got a Balinese massage in Bali, which was amazing. And Christy, on the other hand, Christy, how many massages have you gotten?
Like one in every country. So we are on the soft sleeper train in the cabin now. We are heading to Xi'an. Soft sleeper number Xiawu. This is our table. Our sleeping partners upstairs don't seem to be interested in hanging out with us. They want to switch cabins already. If you would like to smoke, do not smoke. Do not smoke. You cannot smoke in your cabin. If you would like to smoke, please go to the smoking room.
So yeah, this is
Keep your hands and feet inside the cabin and do not make noise.
Yes. That's actually it's pretty decent. Like,
It's hard.
It's hard.
If this is a soft sleeper, I would like to see the hard sleeper.
You don't want to see the hard sleeper.
This is.
They don't want to sit near them. But no, seriously, guys, they're like actually sitting inside the cabin because they don't want to sit here with us. No joke. But no, we did. Pretty sweet. It would be a lot better if there wasn't cars down there. Obviously